Brazil has been breaking agricultural production records year after year, but the country's infrastructure has trouble moving the increased volume in a cost-effective way. And the farther into the countryside farmers expand their operations, the more challenging the task becomes.
In the last 20 years, the production of Brazil changed the area of production from south to middle west, and in this area we don't have a lot of roads and railroads. Then China can help Brazil to accelerate the development, make infrastructure faster.
Analysts say clearing this logistical bottleneck is at the heart of China's plan to finance a cross-continent railway stretching from Brazil's Atlantic coast to Peru's Pacific coast, with a total extension of more than 3,500 kilometers. Iron ore and soybeans are examples of commodities exported by Brazil that could be transported on this railway to the Pacific and then shipped across the ocean.
Isso encurtaria muito o transporte marítimo.
This railway would reduce the distance traveled by sea to get to China. It would cut costs to export there and also to import from Asia. It's an important investment that will bring benefits to both countries.
Analysts say much of the equipment for the construction of the railway is likely to come from Chinese industries, as selling this equipment is part of China's interest in the deal. But Brazilian industry leaders say they hope some products will be sourced locally.
The local industry can make cargo and passenger wagons, locomotives and all kinds of equipment needed for the construction of a railway.
Brazil needs to revamp its transport infrastructure if it wants to expand exports. And China is ready to invest in projects that will help it to secure a steady supply of commodities in coming decades. Analysts believe a railway across South America could play an essential part in this long-term strategy. Paulo Cabral, cctv, São Paulo.